Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Almost the end of the month. It is Friday. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And of course, the link is going to be down below where you guys can get one at low cost. Check them out. This is coming from Vantrue, I do believe. If not, title's going to be corrected and all that good stuff. Here comes a cut. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh boy. What do we got here? Oh, sweet. This is Vantrue on-T2. Bada boom. Vantrue dash cam. Ultimate driving partner. This is a nice one, guys. Set up like that. I'm gonna try to set it up and everything. Parking monitor, collision detection, power plug, guard, emergency. Ooh, that looks nice. All right, let's get inside. See what it looks like. And then I do have another video coming up after this, so stay tuned for that one. There we go. And we got it going on. There we go. I just can't believe how fast the summer went. Almost done. Definitely a hot one. Oh, come on. This is fun. There we go. Alrighty. Getting old. Almost 40. I got there, right there. Venture, desk cam. Alright. Open it up here. Enjoy your product. You will. Manual. You might need it, and you might not. Hopefully it's an easy peasy one. Oh, tiny. I like it. Yeah. There we go. Alright, this must be the good stuff. The juice. The power supply. It's power, right? Oh, here comes a sensor. Put that on your license plate somewhere in your vehicle, or maybe inside. I have a. Oh, we got the mounting. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna take my time on this one, and I'm gonna definitely show how it works in the car. And what are these things? Oh, these must be the car adapter, cigarette lighter. Bam! Oh, there it goes. Nice thick cable. Really nice. Plug it in play. Plug it in play. And here's, of course, another USB. And now the main course. Man, this thing is tiny. Look at that. It's nice. For all you Lyft drivers, DoorDash drivers, Ship It drivers, this might be a good one for you. All you vloggers on the road, karaoke. It's nice. Look at that. Make your own reality show out of this on the road. So it became helpful back in the day. It's a USB power. Nice, nice. And it's lightweight, really lightweight. T2. Vantrue. 1080p, full HD. Oh, we gotta put this in the car. Can't turn it on here. Oh, we got the controls on the bottom. The mic right there. You guys can see it. Focus. Nice camera though. Definitely, YouTubers, check them out. I'm gonna be in my car in a second. Gotta figure out what goes where. It has a nice little button, and this probably plugs into right here. I think it's right. We might have to use manual. Not sure how this one works. Unless I'm missing something. USB. I know this is part of something. Yeah. Oh, this goes. Okay. Okay. Clip on. That's a bracket. Get the tilt action. Nice. Got the sticky stuff there. Easy clamp. And you hook this thing up to here. Maybe it goes in here. Boom. So this will go to that special plug you have in your car. Little key things. Plug it in. That's for the sensor. In case you get hit, and record. And then juice. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is right. Here we go. You plug that in like that. And then this USB. That goes there, that goes there. Where does this go? Oh, there's a memory card slot. Micro SD, possibly. Or is that the speaker? It's probably a speaker. Figure out. Maybe it's an extra one. So that goes there. That goes there. Got that. Got that. Bam, bam, bam. Tilts. You have it like this, chilling on your dash. All that good stuff. So we'll find a room coming up, but maybe it is an extra one. Extra USB or something. Yeah, maybe memory? I don't know. Power goes there. Oh, come on, now I got tangled up. Okay. Untangled. I'm thinking, yeah, because that's the only one that fits. So right there, that's how you hook it up. Got that set up right there. And then it's going to be in the car. See ya. Alright, we are inside the car. It might kind of weird to hold up the camera and everything. But you need an SD card to at least see the video. There's the options. Oops. G sensor, like I said, that's that little plug you plug into your bottom of your car. In case you get hit, you can record it like a shopping cart. Somebody hits your car in the parking lot. Stuff like that. But, I wish I could. I don't have an SD card. There's 3 different menus. Kind of hard to hold 2 things at once. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is nice. Definitely pick up some SD cards also. Right there, right there. Right there. Really cool stuff. Now all I gotta do is hook up this little sensor right here. That goes underneath your steering wheel. There's a little white spot. All you gotta do is hook it up. I just haven't mounted to see where I'm going to want this thing at. But until then, definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really good, nice clarity. A lot of options. 1080p. Really tiny. Probably won't probably see it if you tuck it in right. Probably be right there. Also, would be good. Find someone in my driveway. But maybe next time this will be how you like being recorded. So I'm gonna pull it in the driveway. Wrong house. Alright. So there you go. That was pretty cool. But boom, look at that. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Check them out. Vantrue. I believe Vantrue. Sorry about that. Vantrue. Dash cam. Get one now. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you next.